In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Gmail notifications to Slack with Zapier. We'll walk through creating a simple automation, often called a Zap, that listens for new activity in Gmail and then posts a message into Slack for you. By the end, you'll have a hands-off way to keep your team updated without constantly copying and pasting emails. First, open Zapier and go to the App Connections or Main Dashboard area. This is where you manage and create your automations. Once you're there, look for the Create button, usually at the top of the screen, and click it. From the options that appear, choose Zaps. This tells Zapier you want to build a new workflow from scratch. Inside the Zap editor, you'll see two main sections, the trigger at the top and the action below it. We'll start with the trigger. Click on the trigger area. A search box will appear for you to pick the app that starts the automation. In that search box, type Gmail. As you type, Gmail should appear in the list of apps. Click on Gmail to select it. Next, you'll see a drop-down or field labeled Choose an Event. This is where you decide exactly what kind of Gmail activity will kick things off, like a new email in your inbox or a new email matching a certain search. Click on Choose an Event and then select the Gmail trigger that best fits what you want. For now, just pick the one that matches when a new email arrives or something similar. After selecting the event, confirm and move on. Now we'll define the action, which is what happens in Slack. Click on the action section in the Zap editor. In the app search box that appears, type Slack. When Slack comes up in the list, click on it to select it. Again, you'll see a Choose an Event option, this time for Slack. Click on that and pick how you want Slack to respond, for example by sending a channel message or a direct message. Think about where you want these Gmail notifications to appear so your team actually sees them. Once you've chosen the Slack event, just follow the on-screen prompts. Zapier will guide you through connecting your Gmail and Slack accounts if you haven't already, choosing the specific Slack channel, and mapping fields from the email, like the subject line or sender, into your Slack message. When you're done, test the Zap, turn it on, and you're all set.